You are about to see real PCR test results that have been voluntarily sent to us by our customers. Our customers underwent our Scalar Light Pathogenic Cleanse, which is part of our standard Scalar Light sessions. When we receive these PCR test results, prior to publishing, we remove sensitive information to protect the confidentiality of both the customer and the laboratory. Many of our clients have suffered for years with various pathogenic diseases, seeking conventional treatments to no avail. How do you prove the effectiveness of scalar light healing? Well, there is always PCR testing. Who can argue with that? Independent, unbiased testing has no motive to lie. By now, you must be asking yourself, how can this be? How is scalar energy able to achieve this? Listen to scalar light researcher Tom Palladino as he explains from his lab in an interview.
Yes, let me explain. We have the ability to search for, identify, and eradicate germs, microbes. I'm going to hold up a photograph. This is Staphylococcus epidermis. This is typically on your skin. Okay? If I were to place, once again, Lotta's photograph side by side this photograph, we have a sharing of information. This energy of this microbe, that bacterium, is downloaded into Lotta's quantum plane. Again, all of my work is with photographs. Photographs never make a mistake. So this bacterium would download into Lotta, send information into Lotta. If she had that Staphylococcus epidermis, it would break it apart or would bring it to a state of chaos. So every day I work with thousands upon thousands of photographs of microbes, and I download that microbe energy into her quantum field. And in so doing, if she had that common bacterium, it would be eradicated. We would bring it to a state of chaos. Clinic in Delhi, India, it's called Om Prakash HIV Clinic. This is a photograph of some of the people. We've worked with 5,000 people in India.
5,000, okay.
Who at one time were HIV positive. Now listen carefully to what I'm saying, because I'm not making a medical, if you will, claim. These 5,000 people, after working with us, no longer have a viral load for HIV. Now, nobody can explain that. But after sending me their photograph, everybody has told me they feel better. Many of these people have gained weight. That's the group from Delhi, India. And nobody has a viral load. For instance, this is one of the PCR tests. That's actually the PCR test from the founder of Om Prakash. And the founder is telling us after 13 years, he's negative, no viral load for HIV. He's never been.
So, would you like to try some scalar light sessions yourself? Put your wallet away. Everyone gets to try scalar light sessions for 15 days for free. There is no credit or debit card required to register for the 15-day free trial. Simply follow the link in the description below to get started or go to scalarlight.com. In addition to the pathogenic cleanse, our standard scalar program includes nutrient therapy and chakra balancing. So even if you are watching this and you don't have a pathogenic disease, everyone benefits from scalar light. Disclaimer: all scalar light programs exclusively transmit scalar light upon the photographs of people, animals, plants, and objects. Only the photographs of people, animals, plants, and objects receive the scalar light transmission of energy. Scalar light has never been administered on an in-person basis. Furthermore, scalar light is an unrecognized energy dimension that has not been accepted by conventional science. Scalar light honors the medical community and encourages everyone to likewise respect and honor the advice of qualified medical and wellness professionals. Additionally, Scalar Light honors the scientific community and encourages everyone to likewise respect and honor the advice of qualified scientists and researchers. Scalar Light is a new and emerging science, and thus the terms, words, descriptions, theories, test results, scalar light sessions, diagnostic test results, testimonies, etc., reflect the body of evidence of the new branch of physics, scalar light. The terms and expressions utilized to describe scalar light action do not have a linguistic equivalent to any other scientific discipline or teaching. May God grant you excellent health. Thank you.